Well, hello there. Y'all, I am doing a collab, and the collab is Cozy Corner or Vignette, and it's hosted by Design with Emma, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. The guest host is Jean Home Decor and More, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, me, May's Design Corner, and Design and Dream. Dream with Caroline. Y'all don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, and always know that God is alive and well, because this is His world. No matter what it looks like and what happened, this world belongs to God. Well, as you can see, I'm just getting home. I've been out doing some things over the past week, and I'm going to make my cozy corner or vignette in my corner. I haven't finished doing my styling for Christmas. I got my draperies up, but I haven't done anything else. So I'm sitting here in my cozy corner. Which is my cozy corner, thinking about getting me some of those butter beans out of that freezer to eat. They're already done. I need to heat them up. But anyway, I want to say I'm decorating for my Christmas. I got my draperies up, so I'm letting you see what part of my cozy corner is gonna look like for the Christmas. I would like to also thank Anna and Design with Emma. I would like to thank them. I'd like to thank all the co-hosts for having such a beautiful collab. And myself, I am included in this cozy corner or vignette. So this is it, y'all. This is my cozy corner and vignette because I have not finished setting up for Christmas. I'm doing it, but I haven't quite got there. So this is all I've done so far. Just my curtains. I put them up, and that is it. Please don't forget to go down the playlist and check it out, y'all, and give them a thumbs up, will you please, and subscribe. I just don't understand why people are not subscribing. Well, you're not subscribing to me, so I don't know. You may be subscribing to somebody else. So, but anyway, I like just doing it. Whether you subscribe or not, don't hurt my feelings. I just like doing it. I would like for you to subscribe, but if you don't, hey, one way, no way or the other. But anyway, don't forget to pray. Please don't forget to pray. Please, 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 please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And go down that playlist and look at what they have to offer you to show you how to decorate your house for Christmas. And I'm gonna tell you, I bet you Miss Emma got it knocked out the water. And Grace Life DIY, with all those DIY she make from Dollar Tree, and then Jean Home Decor and More. Oh, yes. And then Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. And Debbie Bubbles. Ooh, Lord of mercy. And me, I'm just now getting there. And Dream with Caroline. Okay, we're going to show y'all how to decorate for Christmas. This is May's Design Corner saying, I love you with a passion. God bless you. And do not forget to pray. Please, y'all, prayer is very important. May Design Corner saying, God bless you, I love you, and happy, happy, happy day. Bless you.